Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm going to do question 26 from the August 2025 Algebra 1 Regents exam. And they've given us two numbers that they want us to add, and they want us to determine is it going to be rational or irrational. Now, if you know the rules for adding or multiplying rational, irrational numbers, then that's great. But even if you don't know the rules, you can use your calculator as a clue to help you answer these questions. So let's go through this. So they've given us two numbers. One is 3 times the square root of 2, and the other number is 5. And they want to know if the sum of those two numbers is rational or irrational. Now, you should know that sum is basically adding. So what I'm going to do is I am going to enter both numbers into my calculator, and I'm going to determine based on what I see from the calculator, is it rational or irrational? Rational or irrational. So I'm going to grab the calculator now, and I'm going to do 3 times the square root of 2, press enter. Now, the definition of an irrational number, it's a number that has decimals that go on forever and they have no repeating pattern. This one definitely does not have a repeating pattern. Now, it may look like it ends at 2, but it actually goes on forever. Now, one of the ways that you can kind of see that is if you click on it and press enter, you can see that it has actually more decimals. But even this ends at 3, but there's more. It's just that the calculator can't possibly display all of the numbers because it goes on forever. But if I press enter, it'll round it. But so this is an irrational number. And 5, of course, is just a rational number. It has no decimals at all. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my paper. This is, let me label them. This is irrational. This is rational. So if I do IR plus R, what do we get? Now, I know the rule is if I add an irrational plus a rational, I'm always going to get an irrational number. But again, if you don't know the rules, just use your calculator. So what you should do is take these two numbers and just add them. We'll start with this one, plus 5. And then I press enter. And you can see we get another irrational number. So that's our answer, and that's what we write. Now you can write this because I've labeled these, and then I put them together. I said that it's going to be irrational, and you can say something to the effect: an irrational plus a rational is equal to an irrational. Now, that's always going to be true. That's always true. An irrational plus a rational is always equal to an irrational. That's it. Now, that's all you need to do in order to get full credit here. So I'm going to stop and I am going to post this.